If you're not squeamish and don't mind getting down and dirty on the job every day, then check out these 3 dirty service businesses with 6-figure pay potential that cost very little to start. One dirty job that not a lot of people like to do, but can pay you up to 6 figures per year, is a crime scene technician. These professionals are called in after a crime scene has been processed and then clean up everything, no matter how gory it is. Not only does the scene have to be clean, but it also has to be disinfected. So many people don't like doing this kind of dirty work, yet there's a huge demand. This is why the brave people who get into this business make so much money. As a crime scene technician, you will be dealing with bodily fluids of all types, hoarding situations, and just overall traumatic scenes. Because of the type of cleanup, it falls under biohazard remediation. The pros of this service business are: you don't need a college degree or experience. It's stable, recession-resistant work. The money can be really good, often 6 figures or more. The cons are: it's very emotionally demanding. Hours are long and unpredictable. It's physically demanding. To get started as a crime scene technician, you'll need a high school diploma or GED, OSHA bloodborne pathogen training, and hazmat training. Now that might seem challenging, but it's really not. You can take the training in 2 weeks, and people have even completed it in just 1 week, and then you're good to go. Now, once you are qualified, you have 2 routes you can go. The first is to work for a company and get experience and be paid right away, and the other option is to start your own business. If you don't want to start a business right away, you can work for an established crime scene cleanup company like ProServe or PuroClean. New technicians can start at around $30 per hour. Experienced technicians in large metro areas can make $80,000 to $100,000 a year with heavy overtime hours. The real money, though, is starting your own crime scene cleanup business, which can turn this dirty work into a lot of green dollars. You can charge on the low end for a small job $2,000, all the way to $10,000 or more for a major job that can take a couple of days. Securing just 4 jobs a month can get you a nice 6-figure annual income. To get going, you will need a basic website and then set up Google Ads in your city and answer the phone 24/7. Google Ads is a surefire way to get clients right away in the market you're serving. The average crime scene cleanup job is around $3,000, so just 5 jobs a month can bring in $15,000 in monthly revenue, and the margins on a cleaning business are very high. So this is one of the dirtiest service businesses out there, but it's always in demand, and there's just huge money to be made if you get out there, get the customers, and do a great job. My advice is to start out working for a major company like PuroClean for a year, and then start your crime scene cleaning business on the side. Once you land your first 5 or 6 clients, you can go full-time and make a solid 6-figure income and grow it as much as you want. Dirty job number 2 is foreclosure and eviction cleanups. This dirty job doesn't involve crime scenes or chemicals. It involves other people's messes. Foreclosure and eviction cleanups happen when tenants are forced out or abandon a property. What's left behind can include just about any kind of waste, including trash, spoiled food, old furniture, smelly mattresses, animal waste, and sometimes extreme hoarding conditions. The pros of this dirty job are: it's cheap and easy to start. It's easy to scale. There's steady demand in all economies. The cons are: it's physically demanding work, can be emotionally draining, payment can be irregular. Let's face it, it's unpleasant, dirty work, but hey, it pays really well. This is one of the fastest small businesses to start. You can realistically begin earning solid money within 1 to 2 weeks. If you already have a truck or SUV, you can get started for under $2,000. You'll need basic supplies like shovels, brooms, trash bins, masks, and so on. Now, to get clients, you'll need to contact banks and asset managers, property management companies, real estate investors, landlords, REO, real estate-owned companies, eviction attorneys. Reach out directly, email, call, and show up in person. Many of these professionals are desperate for reliable vendors and will appreciate the services you are offering. Once you've got your first job, invest in a nice website and get on local real estate Facebook groups. Once you do a good job, repeat work is common, especially with investors who own multiple properties. So exactly how much money can you make cleaning up properties? Single job cleanups typically range from $500 to $2,500 for small homes and $3,000 to over $7,500 for large properties. If you complete just two $2,000 jobs per week, that's over $200,000 in annual revenue, which is very doable. Many small operators net $90,000 to $120,000 per year working lean, and significantly more with crews and bigger contracts. The key is speed and reliability. Property owners want units turned over fast so they can re-rent or sell them. Once you build a solid reputation for doing an amazing job cleaning up a property on time for a fair price, word will get around and you'll start making more and more money. Dirty job number 3 is a dog poop removal business. Okay, I know. Picking up dog poop is not glamorous, and it's not a job you want to talk about on a first date, but it's one of those services people happily pay for. With a little work, you can build this in-demand service into a 6-figure per year business. The pros are low startup costs, high income potential, easy to scale to 6 figures and more. The cons are it's smelly, dirty work. It can be weather dependent. You need volume to hit 6 figures annually. Starting a dog poop cleanup business is super simple compared to most businesses and way cheaper. To get started, you'll need a reliable vehicle, some basic cleaning tools and bags, and an eye-catching website that looks professional. That's about it, and you can get started for under $1,000. Most services charge weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and customers love subscription models because it's automatic and predictable. So how much money can you make picking up doggy poop? Most residential clients pay between $15 and $25 per visit for a small yard on a weekly schedule. A normal poop scoop visit takes about 10 minutes to complete, and the average stop is $20. If you build a route with 100 weekly customers at $20 each, that's $2,000 per week, or over $100,000 per year in revenue. And that's still a really small operation. Add then there's the large commercial clients like apartment complexes, large HOA contracts, and property management companies. Landing these clients can mean securing a $1,000 a month or higher contract. With a solid mix of residential and commercial clients, a small operation can make $10,000 to $15,000 a month by the end of the first year and continue growing year after year. People love their dogs but hate picking up dog poop, and the market is just huge and completely underserved. So how do you get clients? First, this is a hyper-local business. Set up a clean, well-designed website. People search dog poop removal near me or pet waste removal service. Ranking locally is huge, and you can also run Google ads to get your first clients. Target nice neighborhoods with high dog ownership. Hang door hangers, yard signs, and get on Facebook community groups and talk about your service. You'll be surprised how well that works. Offer a first clean discount to new customers, like 30% off your first month, to get clients to sign up and also to get solid Google reviews coming in. Reviews are huge because this is a trust-based service. Once you have over 100 weekly clients, you can hire a part-time employee and grow the business. All the while, you are on target for a 6-figure annual income. This is a huge opportunity in markets all over the US. You just need to get out there and market your poop scooping business aggressively. Give a great service and watch the money come rolling in. So those are 3 dirty service businesses that are easy to start with 6-figure income potential. If you liked the video, hit that subscription button right now, smash it, and please like the video and tell me what you think in the comments below. I'm Gabby, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Let me know what you guys think in the comments. That was a really cool video. I think I worked hard on it. Please consider subscribing. You guys take care. Peace.